Covering the North Shore tonight, take a look at this video sent in by a viewer in Slidell, where Hank mentioned how bad the wind was. This is where the wind and rain came roaring through this morning. And again, the National Weather Service has not determined if it was a tornado or not.
But it hit Slidell hard. Both homes and businesses are damaged. Thousands of people without power. WGNO's Mallory Smith is on Old Spanish Trail. Mallory.
Yeah, well, cleanup here continues tonight. City officials, police, the fire department have been out here all day surveying the damage, working to clear out some of the debris that we've seen here after two buildings were nearly torn apart from a possible tornado. You can tell in the road, tree logs have just covered the streets. Widespread damage reported across the city of Slidell after a possible tornado rips through the area.
I was asleep and I woke up because I could hear my neighbors screaming next door, and my dogs were freaking out, and it was really windy. It was a different kind of wind, and I knew something wasn't right.
Along Old Spanish Trail, the roof of an apartment complex completely torn off. A family inside at the time scrambling to safety, now left to figure out how they'll put their lives back together.
He got important stuff. I got some important stuff. For the most part, we're losing everything. So it'll be all right, though.
Across the street, ECO Builders, a total loss.
The roof coming off of this building, so I ran through the shop to tell these girls that the tornado was hitting, and before you knew it, the windows blew in.
Pieces of the building's interior spilled across the street. Cleanup and repairs are expected to take weeks, if not months.
My car is destroyed, my apartment's destroyed, but I can get it all back. It's tough. We're alive. That's really all that matters.
And you can see broken trees. I spoke with meteorologist Brantley. He said that was actually caused by wind, not by lightning, but the roads here have been blocked off, of course, because of the storm damage. So if you are in the area, try to take an alternate route and drive slowly if you're on the roads tonight. Back to you guys.